Hey everybody, welcome to Geotech and More. In today's video I'd like to showcase the MATE desktop. The website is right here. I'll provide a link in the description to this website. Now if you're running a GNU Linux distribution like Debian or Ubuntu or PC Linux OS or Fedora or Slackware, you can install it right from the package manager of your distribution. But right here is the website where you can download the desktop for your distribution right here. Here's all the GNU Linux distributions that it's available for. I'm running the Debian version right now, currently. MATE is also available for BSD distributions like Ghost BSD, FreeBSD. It's also available for OpenIndiana, which is a Solaris-based distribution, and TrueOS, which is based on FreeBSD. Yeah, many distributions, including many of the GNU Linux distributions. It's available for Gen 2, PC Linux OS, Ubuntu. Ubuntu actually has its own version of a distribution right here. You can download UBUNTU MATE version, which is all packaged into one distribution. Yeah, a really great desktop environment. So what is MATE? What does that mean, MATE, right? You might want to know. So MATE is actually a drink, a South American drink. See, so I'm gonna have this right here highlighted for you to look at. Here it is. Where does the name come from? The name MATE, pronounced MATE, comes from Verba mate, a species of holly native to subtropical South America. So the leaves contain caffeine and are used to make infusions and a beverage called mate. So there you go. This desktop doesn't have any caffeine, so if you don't drink beverages with caffeine, no worries. It's just a desktop environment. So right here, here's how the desktop looks. Here's a description of the MATE desktop environment. Now MATE is a continuation of the GNOME 2 desktop. It says here, hundreds of people have contributed code to GNOME since it started in 1997. Many more have contributed in other important ways, including translations, documentations, and quality assurance. Now the GNOME desktop, or GNOME desktop, many people pronounce it GNOME or GNOME desktop, is what Ubuntu, the mainstream Ubuntu distribution, used to use by default, but they switched to the Unity desktop, which you know, they changed it to the Unity desktop. So then the UBUNTU MATE distribution started as a continuation of that. So if you're a fan of the old Ubuntu, you would like this. Here I'm currently running it under Debian though, and I installed it through the package manager. If you just go into the Synaptic Package Manager, just let this load for a second. You just search MATE. Many packages show up. And you scroll down, 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 down. Here you go. Here's all the MATE packages. So So right here you scroll down and here's the Mate desktop right here. See, and you would install right here. You just it's not highlighted right now, but here you go to right here, mark for installation, right? And then you would install all the recommended packages and all that. You let the Synaptic Package Manager do its thing, you know, and then you're all good. And then you get this cool desktop environment on your computer. So right here is my home folder. Here's my mounted media, which I have an SD card in. I have a couple of USB drives right here. See right here, I have songs on here and stuff, and you know, this here uses the caja, which means box in Spanish. So yeah, that's the yep, the file manager is called caja. So you get to learn some Spanish in this desktop, which is good. Learning different languages is awesome. So right here is all the applications and stuff. You have my I'll show you my accessories, education, a lot of games I installed, graphics, internet. I have Firefox, I have CMonkey, I even have the beta version of Microsoft Edge. I have the Zoom right here. I'm actually beta testing Microsoft Edge for GNU Linux. And yeah, I have sound and video, system tools. Here's all the places, the home folder, desktop. Here's all my volumes of basically this is all over here is what's over here on the desktop. So then over here I have my preferences. Over here you have the appearance, look and feel. So you can change different aspects of the desktop. You know, I can make it a dark theme right there. See, so that changes to dark, but I don't really want that. Just going to keep it on custom. Let's see if I can get back to now, did it keep it? Yes, it did. So let's go back to look and feel. I want to go back to a lighter theme, so just as easily as that, you know, you can change it to different looks and stuff on your desktop. This is also a nice one, like a green theme right here. This is a nice one right here too as well. It's like a darker theme. So you can change, you know, the look of the whole desktop if you'd like. Go back to that one. You can change your desktop background, I believe. Yes, you can. So you have all these different wallpapers and stuff. To make it a nice, make it all light like that. But that's too bright, actually. For me, I don't really like that too much. But there you go. The traditional. Just move this out of the way for a second. There you go. The traditional desktop environment. I can go to a space theme right there. It's not too bad looking. Now, if you'd like, you can actually take this bar out over here and make like a dock for all you Apple Mac fans. You know, you can put a dock here. So then I go back to change the desktop back to the way I had it. Of course, you can keep it the way you like. Actually, alright, I'll keep it like that for now. That looks good. So there's many customizations you can do with this desktop. Here's your package manager, Synaptic Package Manager. Here's where you install all your packages that you like, print settings. See, all of your stuff is right here. See, there I am right there. Now you can add different things to the top bar over here. Over here I added the weather. So there you go, it's 75 degrees Fahrenheit in Jersey City. I'm over in New Jersey. Not exactly in Jersey City, but I'm very close to Jersey City. So yeah, that's the nearest city to where I am actually. So, and here's the what do you call it, Wi-Fi right there, volume control. And over here I'm recording the desktop at this moment. So yeah, it's a nice clean desktop environment. I actually moved the trash can all the way down here on the bottom bar over here. So if I had, here's the where my stuff that I throw away would be, and then I could empty trash right over here. So currently I'm using the SeaMonkey web browser. I love this web browser actually. SeaMonkey is actually what do you call it? What Netscape, you know, it's derived from the Netscape web browser from way back, even before Internet Explorer came out. Even before Microsoft Internet Explorer came out, SeaMonkey was out. I mean, what do you call it? Netscape Navigator was out. The Netscape web browser. And SeaMonkey is a continuation of that web browser, basically. So is Firefox. And by the way, I do have Firefox installed right here. I have Firefox, and I'm testing out Microsoft Edge right here, because there is a version of Microsoft Edge out for the GNU Linux distributions. It's out. I have a video on it on my website here on YouTube. Here's my YouTube page right here. I do many videos. Here's all my videos. There you go. Once my internet connection comes in, here's all my videos. Do many tech-related videos on video games and computer stuff and other random things. That's why I call my page Geotech and More. And more adds the more than tech type of thing to my YouTube page, so I don't have to just do tech videos. So yeah, I invite you to subscribe. So check out the Mate desktop environment. I'll put a link in the description to right here, the Mate desktop environment, and you can download the Mate desktop environment for your distribution. So like if you're running Debian, you just go here, and then you know you can search for Mate through the Synaptic Package Manager, or actually right here through the Debian website you can look for the Mate desktop environment, but it's actually easier to just look through the Package Manager through Synaptic, which is available right here on once you install Debian. So there you go. So yeah, Mate is available for all these GNU Linux distributions right here, as well as the BSD distributions, because I know there's many BSD fans out there, which I've used in the past. I do like the BSD distributions as well. This one right here, Open Indiana, is based on Solaris. Actually, it's a continuation of Solaris. So even for Open Indiana, which is based on Solaris, you know, you can have the Mate desktop environment installed. So that's really cool. So yeah, there you go. If you want a nice clean desktop, Mate is the way to go. I'll even provide a link in the description to what do you call it? Ubuntu Mate right here. If you want to, this is a nice easy way to install the Mate desktop on your computer, because this is all set up. Ubuntu Mate is it will provide the Mate desktop with a lot of tools, you know, that you'll enjoy. You know, there's a lot of customizations with Ubuntu Mate. It's all set up for you. I'm using Debian right now, so under Debian it's slightly harder to set up actually. Not really, you just go to the Synaptic Package Manager, or you put apt-get install Mate desktop, and you know, you can install it from the command line like that, but an easier way would be through Synaptic, through the package manager. You know, you put your password, like I just showed you a little while ago, you know, and then you just search for Mate desktop. Let's do that one more time. You put Mate desktop. Just to be correct, I'll put the capital M. You know, and all your Mate packages are right in the Synaptic Package Manager. But of course, you got to scroll back. So yeah, it's right here. You see, Mate desktop right there. You search for Mate desktop, and if you're running Debian, you can install it that way. You just click Mark for installation right here. Of course, you know, I currently have this installed, so this is why this isn't in bold right here. So there you go. But yeah, like I said, an easy way to check out the Mate desktop is just to go to the Ubuntu Mate website, and you can check it out that way. You can download it that way and check out the Mate desktop. So I'll provide a link in the description for this as well. And that's it. Yeah, right here is the Ubuntu Mate website. Provide a link for this. If you have a Raspberry Pi computer, you can just install it from here too. You know, you can check out Ubuntu Mate on your Raspberry Pi little computer, little single board computer, and that's it. You go back to the Mate desktop website, and there you go. I'll provide links to both of these websites where you can install this cool desktop environment, and there you go. If you liked my video, I invite you to subscribe. I do many tech related videos, and as well as other type of videos, sometimes on food. Yeah, I have one here on Red Baron pizza. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, so take care everyone, stay well, stay safe, stay happy, and take care everyone. Bye now.